Good morning. Enterogastrone is hormone secreted by mucosa, enzyme secreted by mucosa, hormone secreted by duodenal mucosa, secreted by the endocrine gland related to digestion. So, enterogastrin is a hormone. Where it is secreted, what is the function? Hormone secreted by mucosa, enzyme secreted by mucosa. So, this is a hormone. So this is not hormone secreted by duodenal mucosa, secreted by endocrine glands related to digestion. Right answer is C. Hormone secreted by duodenal mucosa. Duodenal mucosa. Duodenal లో ఉండే mucosa అంటే అది secreted by enterogastrin. Enterogastrin. It helps to stimulate the inactive enzymes into active. That is the enterogastrin.